Hey, great to see you here. My name is Nathan and I'm a professional trader with 8 years of experience in the market, having gone from zero to an expert in trading. Over the course of my career, I've developed 6 strategies that bring me these results. Now, I'm 31 years old, I own a sports car, a spacious country house, and I have complete control over my time, doing what I want and when I want. I'm not telling you this to brag, but to show you that I achieved all this thanks to trading. Today, I will break down one of my simplest and most effective strategies step by step. A strategy that works for both beginners and experienced traders. You'll be surprised how simple and logical it is, and when you have the right strategy and know how to use it. I will also show you exactly what every beginner must know to accurately assess market conditions and choose the right moment to enter a trade. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of where to start and what to focus on. So sit back and get ready. There is a lot of valuable information ahead. Let's go! This is what a smart approach to the market looks like. Over 8 years of trading, I've had countless opportunities, turned my dreams into reality, and more importantly, I found my true calling, helping others. I love sharing my experience and helping my subscribers develop their trading skills on my Telegram channel, which now has 21,000 members. And just yesterday, we achieved results like these together. Wanna know how? Because every day I personally hold 2 live trading sessions where I publish my trading decisions in real time. This means anyone in my channel can use them and get results. And you know what else? Right now my channel is completely free. I don't know how long this will last, so don't waste time. Subscribe now. The link in the description and the first pinned comment. Switching to the most important part of the video, I'm moving to trading. The platform is open and the amount I'm starting with is set. Now, let's select the currency pairs I'll be working with. This one and this one. Perfect. Now let's configure an important indicator. Today I'll be using MACD. This indicator shows the difference between 2 moving averages of price on the chart. The MACD is based on trend analysis and helps traders determine where to open or close trades. Let's set up the indicator. Adjust the line brightness and size. All settings are done, now we can start. Looking at the chart. Let's stop at the New Zealand dollar and Australian dollar. I see that the price was in a downtrend and then reversed. This is the first approach to a resistance level after the trend shift. Usually, when the price fails to break resistance, it pulls back downward, often leading to consolidation, where the price moves sideways near a level without a clear direction. In this situation, I'm going for a sell, expecting the price to bounce off the resistance and continues downward. Great start, everyone. Let's keep going. Checking the next setup. I see a rejection from a strong resistance level. This level has repeatedly stopped the price before, and during previous rejections, the indicator signaled a reversal. So I'm entering a sell trade, expecting the price to fail at this level again and move down. Awesome, we've secured a solid 20. Let's continue. Moving to the next pair, setting 20. Looking at the chart. Alright, we're going up. I've spotted an impulse candle that broke the level and closed above it. The indicator is pointing up, confirming a potential trend continuation. I expect the price to keep rising. Let's watch how it plays out. Perfect, my technical analysis was spot on. Let's move forward. Checking the chart. Let's stop here. Everything is clear, no hesitation. I'm entering a sale trade. The price was moving downward, then consolidated briefly before breaking lower. During this consolidation, local levels formed. When I saw a bearish engulfing candle, I decided to enter a trade, expecting the breakout of this local level and further downward movement. The indicator also confirms a bearish continuation, so this trade should go well. Excellent, no doubts here. This is my proven strategy and I trust it completely. Let's keep going. But risk management has its own hidden traps. In fact, risk management is what separates professional traders from those who constantly lose savings. I explain all the key details on my Telegram channel, so if you're serious about understanding the essential tricks and techniques, click the link in the description under this video. Join my club and start learning. And here's a present for you. All members of my club get access to my free public live sessions. Yes, I trade live online, showing my trades in real time. Just yesterday, my subscribers trading alongside me made an average of 715, and I hold 3 such sessions every single day. Can you imagine that? Wanna join? Click the link in the description and the first pinned comment. I see a consolidation near a level on this pair. The price is gradually pressing against the level, which increases the likelihood of a breakout to the upside. In this situation, I'm buying, expecting the price to break the level and continue moving forward. Good, let's keep up the pace. Let's see what we have here. The price returned to a broken level for a retest. Once a level is broken, it turns into support. Now, after the retest, the price is starting to rise again. This is a great setup for an upward movement, so I expect the uptrend to continue. This is my kind of trade. Let's go further. Here, we're gaining altitude again. A local level was previously broken downward and the price returned for a retest. However, instead of bouncing lower, the price started to press against the level and closed above it. This signals that the market is preparing for further upward movement in a more global level. The price has successfully retested and started to rise, confirming my decision to enter a buy trade. Fantastic! We've already reached 501 and now we're moving into bigger numbers. I like this. Stopping at this pair. Everything is clear. Selling, because the price has reached a strong level around 0.63 and bounced off it. This confirms that the level is acting as a resistance and there is a high probability that the price will continue downward from this point. Let's see how it plays out. Great! Now this is kind of results I like. Moving forward. What do we have here? Earlier there was a false breakout downward, which often leads to a reversal and movement in the opposite direction. This pattern signals a high probability of the uptrend continuing. Taking actions now. Alright, everyone, it's time for the final trade. And as always, I'll set the maximum value to achieve the result I want. So, what do we see? There is a strong level around 96,500 that the price has tested multiple times but failed to break. Additionally, there is a trend line that the price has repeatedly tested. The indicator suggests that downward momentum is still weakening. The histogram bars are getting smaller and then they reversed. The MACD lines are also pointing downward, confirming signs of a reversal. Everything signals an upward movement, so I'm entering a buy trade to ride the trend. Excellent! Look at the results we've achieved. My strategy has once again proven its effectiveness. When you see these kind of results in a single session, it becomes clear how successful traders get everything they want. If you want to learn from the professional trader, here I am. I also host daily live trading sessions on my Telegram channel. My subscribers watch my every move and use them. On my Telegram channel, I personally support every member. Anyone can ask me a question and get an answer, even if it's something simple like which buttons to press. I explain everything in detail and in a clear way so that anyone can follow along. My channel is still free for everyone who wants to join. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment below this video and send me a message.